Hey guys, it's Minecraft TRV, and today I want to show you my new fidget spinner. To light up fidget spinner. I'll show you it. Right now. I got this from. I didn't get it. My friend got it for me. She said it was like for $6 at Toys R Us. It's an LED fidget spinner. It goes really fast. And yeah, it's cool. I like it. And yeah, this is pretty cool. It's a pretty cool spinner. Yeah, I like it a lot. I recommend this from Toys R Us. $6 right here. This is pretty cool. Yeah, I like it, and it looks awesome while it's spinning. Watch. Okay, it's Minecraft TRV signing off. Peace.